Detroit 911, what happened, ma'am? He hit you in the head with a gun? Okay, hold on one moment. He got two guns there? Tell them to be quiet when they come. Detroit 911, what is the emergency?
My husband downstairs, me and my kids are locked upstairs. Please, I just called. I left the doors open so the police can come. He got both of my guns downstairs.
He has
them in my head.
He has them. Well, the police are outside,
yes.
ma'am. They're outside. They're pulling up now.
Please tell him to come in and get him. He's in the den and tell him be careful of the front door and the front door. He's in the den through the living room. He got two guns up under the pillow.
Has two what, ma'am?
Two guns. They in my name.
Two guns?
Yes.
They know what they're doing. There's more than one vehicle out there that's setting up a perimeter, okay? They need to handle their business because there's someone with guns. Ma'am, I need you to listen to me, okay? I need you to listen, okay? They're going to take care of it.
Please, before you wake up.
Are you in the bedroom?
All right. Tell him to come in. He talk about that. He about to send him away.
He said he's about to send them away. Did he state how
yes.
he was going to send them away? He just said he's going to say everything was all right?
Please. Yes, please don't let them leave.
Okay. I'm letting them know what you're saying to me now.
He's saying he is not going to jail.
You said he said that he's not going to jail, ma'am?
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
He's going to kill all of us. He's killing them and me and my kids.
I'm about to come out. Now I can't get out the door.
Get the stack. I need a stack. Ready? No. Who's on point? You got the gun. You're going point. Get down! Get down! Hey! Get the fuck over! Hands! Why are you still with him? I arrested him last year.
Detroit police coming up. Police. Police.
Thank you so much.
You're okay, bud.
Thank you. Oh, God. You're going to shoot all of us.
We won't let that happen. You guys are okay.
Thank you, please.
You guys are okay. Who else is up here with you?
Nobody. We was hiding in there.
Okay. You guys are okay now, okay?
Yes. Thank you. He was going to shoot our mom.
Okay, well, you guys are okay now. Mom's going to be okay. We're going to take care of Dad for you guys, okay?